Oh, it's a privilege to meet this very dynamic person at the Seashore uh, Beach Club. So how are you doing today?
Okay naman po, we're great.
And please introduce your name.
I'm Arnel Mindanao po. I'm the president of the Seashore Beach Club, San Juan, Batangas.
We've been hearing good feedbacks about your resort here. Can you tell us how did you start the business?
Thank you po at nakita niyo naman po yung ating the Seashore Beach Club. No? But we started way back 2012 to 14. We're just starting the kubo-kubo or nipahat lang. But eventually po, naging lumaki po yung business. So by the year 2016 po, sinimulan po natin yung the Seashore Beach Club membership. So from 2016 up to present po, ito po yung negosyo natin. Resort development.
Sir, can you tell us the activity today? There's like a water sports activity going on. Can you give us some overview?
Okay,
on this?
so we're so happy po for today, April 20, 2024 at meron po tayo dumating na guest dito, 50 buses and 40 private cars na total po na more or less sa 2,500 guests. No? So ito po yung SMP, Sinechu Magnetic Company, and dito po sila nag-held ng team building nila, and tayo naman po bilang resort owner may mga partner po tayo yung R&R water sports activities, and even po bukod po sa R&R water sports activities meron din po tayong mga food provider like for example si Ben, si Dream Coffee, and even po yung 24/7 convenience store ay nandito rin po sila.
And we've heard you have an ongoing project for the members, sir. Can you tell us about the 7-star? Is it are you allowed to discuss to the public right now?
Actually, what we're looking at eventually po for the Seashore Beach Club is we're going to put up a 6 towers condotel. Actually, we're already starting the construction and development dito po on our left side. And after that po, we're going to do the biggest, I could say, biggest water park in Southern Luzon, which is nag-start na rin po tayo ng clearing operation, which is ito pong Seashore Aqua Park. No? So, maybe po in the next 3 to 4 years ay makikita na po natin yung the biggest water park here in Southern Luzon.
Sir, what's your own definition of relaxation?
Relaxation po sa akin, number 1 po, pagka nasa beach ka, para ka merong peace of mind. Okay, so naka-relax ka. Kung sa akin po kasi, was marinig ko lang po yung alon ng dagat, especially po pagkagabi. Actually, doon po ako nagsimula eh. Kasi nung, siguro po, 2012, 2013, mga kubo po. Pumupunta na kami dito nung son ko, maliit pa lang, 3 to 4 years old. Natutulog kami sa kubo. Masaya na po kasi parang nare-relax ako habang naririnig ko yung mga alon ng dagat.
Sir, kanina sa conversation natin, natanong ko kung bakit kayo mahilig sa tubig. And what's the connection, yung pagkahilig niyo sa tubig at saka dito sa Seashore Beach Club?
Actually, sir, by profession po ako po talaga ay isang seaman. No? So bilang isang seaman po, hilig po natin yung tubig at saka dagat. No? But eventually po, sabi ko nga po sa inyo kanina, hindi ko na ikwento sa inyo na this is a real blessing po na noong pong 2015, okay, 2015, meron po akong, hindi po ako ganun kalaking pera, meron po akong konting negosyo, pero as a Christian po kasi we need to be faithful in giving. No? So, what I did is, dahil wala po akong pera, I donated a water dispenser sa isa pong church. No? And that water dispenser, after a year, sabi sa akin, parang realization lang from the Lord na, Arnel, ano ba yung binigay mo sa akin? Diba, water dispenser. That water dispenser, anong lumalabas? Diba, tubig. So, habang may tubig ang dagat, yan, overflowing yung blessing sa'yo. And by the year 2016 po, June 16, 2016, sabi niya sa akin, tingnan mo kung ano yung company na register mo sa SEC. Is the Seashore Beach Club. So, yun yung parang, kaya sabi ko, this is a gift to us na talagang nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon dahil siya talaga nagbigay sa akin dito. Parang naging gift po ito sa akin from a small water dispenser na binigay ko sa kanya, dinonate ko during Yolanda. So, parang yun ang binigay sa akin. So, ganun po siya.
At isa pa sir, hindi naman kayo baguhan sa real estate kasi meron pala kayong background. And it looks like na yung pinanggalingan nyo, parang doon na rin kayo papunta.
Actually po, syempre, bilang tayo po ay isang negosyante, no? Tayo po yung nangangarap. Pero ako po, nung bata pa, pangarap ko lang ay simple, no? So, I started as a real estate agent, naging sales manager, division manager, assistant vice president, naging vice president po. Then, from the time po, nagkaroon po ako ng real estate brokerage, naging presidente po tayo ng isang kumpanya, no? So, yung Third Island Corporation. Then, from then po, maraming challenges. Pero ako po ay nag-work sa Avidaland before. I'm working as one of the lead broker po ng Avidaland. And syempre, pagka yung awards mo, laging gano'n lang, number 1, number 2, parang wala nang challenge eh. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, dapat at the age of 40, developer na ako. So by hook or by crook, talagang ginawa ko po na at the age of 40, nagsimula po ako ng development na isang maliit na resort. Then, nung ngayon po, eto na, magse-celebrate po kami ng 8th year anniversary ng The Seashore Beach Club this coming June 16, 2024 po.
Okay sir, in terms of food naman sir, paano nyo po na-sustain yung ganito karaming guests? Paano po nyo po sila nabigyan, na-providean po ng foods po?
Apo. With regards naman po sa food, syempre, ako po hindi ko po kasi expertise ang food, no? But of course, meron po tayong mga partners, the suppliers, sila po yung kausap natin na syempre, dapat protected rin po yung ating mga guests, diba? So, dumadaan din po yan sa na-scrutinize po natin kung sinong tamang supplier po ang pwede mag-provide. So, just imagine po, 2,500 guests. So, kagabi pa lang po ay yung mga partners natin na suppliers ay nagsisimula po silang magluto yan. So, hanggang maghapon na po yan.
Okay po. So, when in terms to accommodation naman po, paano nyo po sila na-accommodate po lahat?
Actually, for overnight stay po right now, ay meron po tayong 80 to 100 packs pwede po natin accommodate dito. But for day tour po, kung mapapansin niyo po, we have 2,500 guests. Pero ang nagamit pa lang po natin na area is 1/4 of the area pa lang. So, ibig sabihin, eventually siguro, kakayanin po natin ng 3,000 to 5,000 hanggang 6,000 guests pa po dito sa The Seashore Beach Club. This is our first time. Pero sinubukan nga po namin ang 2.5 kung gano'ng kadami. Pero mapapasin nyo po naman siguro mamaya. Pwede nyo po silang i-video or tingnan later on. And makikita ninyo na based sa area natin, 1/4 pa lang po yung nagagamit natin. And even the parking area po, sinubukan din po namin kung kakasya yung 50 buses. Kanina po umiikot ako kasi yun ang concern ko kagabi. Baka mamaya mag-traffic, hindi makapasok yung ibang guests. So by the grace of God naman po, lahat naging smooth and maluwag pa po yung parking area natin.
We're good. The next na lang sir now.